Hello dear students, before we start our lesson, make sure that you have your small board and a marker or a piece of paper and a pen. English, Family and Friends, Grade 6, Semester 1, Unit 3, Something New to Watch, Lesson 2, Grammar. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the infinitive of purpose and use the infinitive of purpose correctly. Read the following sentences and learn what an infinitive is. I turned on the TV to watch the news. She studied hard to get a full mark. So what's an infinitive? It is using to plus base form of the verb. So in the first sentence we have to watch, and the second sentence we have to get. Now read the following sentences and learn about when we use the infinitive. I turned on the TV to watch the news. She studied hard to get a full mark. So when do we use an infinitive? We use it to show the reason we do something and the purpose behind it. So in other words, we use it to answer the question why. Why did I turn on the TV? I turned on the TV to watch the news. Why did she study hard? She studied hard to get a full mark. We have to watch and to get. Now let's read and learn. Look at the picture. Why did you hold the man's arm? To help him cross the road. I held the man's arm to help him cross the road. The second picture. Why do you need a cap? To protect myself from the sun. I need a cap to protect myself from the sun. Now, why did you go to the park? To play football with my friends. I went to the park to play football with my friends. Now let's look at the last picture. Why are they raising their hand? To answer. They are raising their hand to answer. Now we will start with the first activity. Change the form of these verbs to the infinitive form. You have 3 minutes. You can write the answers on your small board. Now let's check the answers together. So the first one, eat, becomes to eat. Slept becomes to sleep. Made becomes to make. Listening become to listen. As you can see, even if we have past simple verb like slept and made, they become to sleep and to make. And for the present continuous verb listening, it becomes to listen. Be careful, don't use for instead of to. Like the example we have, I study hard for pass. It's wrong. We have to say, I study hard to pass. Now let's move on to the next activity. Match the two parts with to form a correct sentence. You will have 5 minutes to answer this activity. Now let's check the answers.